Hello, I am Dr. Preetham Dedia, an eye specialist and a vitreoretina surgeon. I have my eye center in Vasai. Our eye has different parts and each of them is important to transmit the image to the brain. Out of this, the retina is the most important structure of the eye. Retina is like a film of a camera on which the image falls and transmits signals to the brain. It is the innermost layer of the eye. Today, I wish to talk about common retinal problems. There are many conditions like diabetes, blood pressure, obesity, which all affect the eye. We will be discussing about retinal holes and retinal detachment, diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration, and macular holes. Retina can develop holes or tears. This can cause the retina to shift from its original position, leading to a condition called retinal detachment, which is a sight-threatening condition. It requires an urgent complex surgery to bring back the retina to its normal place. India is a diabetic capital of the world. It has reached an alarming levels. It is a disease which can affect the blood vessels all over the body. In the eye, it affects the retina, leading to diabetic retinopathy. The symptoms of diabetic retinopathy are blurring of vision, floaters, and black spots in the vision. Patients will not notice the early diabetic changes that are occurring in the retina. They start getting the symptoms when their vision starts getting deteriorating. Only in the late stages when already the damage to the retina has started. Hence, it is my sincere request to all diabetics, please get your eyes checked at least once in a year by a retina specialist. For diabetic retinopathy, we offer treatments like retinal lasers, intravitreal injections, and vitrectomy surgery that can help control the swelling and bleeding in the retina. Next common retinal disease of an aging eye is age-related macular degeneration, which affects the central portion of the retina called the macula. It causes the blurring or loss of central vision, causing difficulties in day-to-day activities. Intravitreal injections, if taken in time at an early stage, can prevent vision loss. There are conditions of the macula like macular holes, epiretinal membranes, which can cause difficulty or blurring in the central part of the vision. It can cause distorted vision and blind spot. Here we perform macular surgeries to treat the condition. Through a state-of-the-art technology and experience, majority of these retinal conditions are treatable provided they are detected early and treated on time. In my past 15 years in the field of ophthalmology, I have operated on more than 3,000 complex retinal problems and done more than 5,000 retinal lasers. To know more about any eye condition, subscribe to our channel. We will keep posting more such informational videos and keep you updated.